Now the common ores of aluminium. So the common ores of aluminium are bauxite, cryolite and corundum. Okay, so bauxite is the main ore of aluminium and the chemical name of bauxite is hydrated aluminium oxide and the formula is Al2O3 dot 2H2O. So this dot 2H2O it represents the water of crystallization. Then the next ore is cryolite and the chemical name is sodium aluminium fluoride and the chemical formula is Na3Al F6. Then the next ore of aluminium is corundum. Okay, so the chemical name is aluminium oxide and the formula is Al2O3. So in the syllabus only we have to study, according to the syllabus only we have to study the main ores of aluminium. Now we will discuss about the extraction of aluminium. Okay, so the extraction of aluminium, the process involved during metallurgy of aluminium, there are different steps. Okay, so first step is the concentration of ore. Concentration of ore means we have to remove the impurities. So ore used that time is bauxite. In the concentration of ore, the ore we use is bauxite, that is known as hydrated aluminium oxide and the formula you know, that is Al2O3 dot 2H2O. And the method uses the chemical method, that is using concentrated solution of NaOH and the name of the process is named as Bayer's process. Okay, and this process we will discuss in detail. That is very important process from the examination point of view also. So this process helps in the concentration of the ore. Okay, so how the conversion takes place from the impure bauxite, that is Al2O3.2H2O, to pure alumina, that is Al2O3. Okay, and the reaction here is the when the amphoteric oxide it reacts with the base. So amphoteric oxide means here we will take impure bauxite and when it will react with sodium hydroxide at 150 degrees Celsius temperature, it will give salt, that is NaAlO2 and water. Okay, then the second step is the concentrated ore to oxide. That concentrated ore will be converted into oxide. Okay, so this step is not necessary in metallurgy of aluminium because since ore is already an oxide, because in the aluminium the ore is already oxide, so this step is excluded from the extraction of aluminium. Then we will directly move to the third step, that is the reduction of metallic oxide. Okay, so here the method uses the electrolytic method and the process name of the process is the Hall-Herold's process and this process is also very important. This also we will discuss in detail. So here is the conversion of pure aluminium to pure aluminium, that is from Al2O3 to Al. Then the reaction here taking place is the electrolytic reduction of pure alumina and the electrolyte is the mixture of fused alumina. Fused alumina means Al2O3 and cryolite and fluorspar. Okay, so in the electrolyte we take the mixture of these three. And why cryolite and fluorspar we are using? Because they are act as a solvent for fused alumina and they also lower the fusion point of the mixture. This question came in the exam so many times, why cryolite and fluorspar is added in the mixture. Okay, so that is because they lower the fusion or the melting point of the mixture and they increases the conductivity of the electrolytic mixture. So that is the main reason of using cryolite and the fluorspar. And electrode, here we are using inert graphite, that is carbon electrode, and the reaction is on electrolysis of fused aluminium. At cathode pure aluminium will be there and at anode oxygen gas will liberate. And then the fourth step is the refining of impure matter. So these are the process involved during metallurgy and these are the certain steps. Keep in mind that the second step is excluded or not involved in the extraction of aluminium because that is already an oxide. the ore is already an oxide.